In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install Epson L3110 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now firstly, we need to identify our operating system. So how we can do so, at the bottom search bar here, please type for info. Once you've typed it, wait for a best match to appear, and once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on open to continue. So in a few moments, a new window which is this would appear in our window. We just have to wait until everything would be appearing here. And once everything are set, you need to identify for system type. So this is the systems type is a way on how to identify your what specific base PC do you have. Okay, so I have here x64 or you may have x32. And the operating system will be you can identify whether you have Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 9, or so on. So, okay, once you have identified your system type as well as the operating system, please close the window and navigate to the button search bar again. And this time you need to type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait for a best match to appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Now you would be redirected to the Google Chrome. The moment you've clicked on Open, all you need to do is you need to wait until a search bar would be available here at the center. And once it's here, please type for Epson space L3110 driver. Then click on Enter key. And in that way, you would be able to see the result. So please proceed to the first result. Okay, this one. And wait until you are being redirected to this kind of window. Okay, and here you need to scroll down and navigate to the download. So please click on downloads and wait until a list of the option would be available under the download option. So to be able to see operating system, all you need to do is you need to click on this down arrow key and choose the operating system that you have. And since I have Windows 11 operating system, then I'm gonna go with this. So from here, you need to scroll down and proceed to the drivers. So you would be able to see the scanner driver and the printer driver. So if you would like to install the scanner driver, all you need to do is you need to click on this option aligning to it. And let's go with the printer driver. Click on it. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but if you are in your case you're not still, click on this accept and eventually it will now start on the downloading process. So let me just navigate to the three dots here, proceed to the downloads. And from here, you would be able to see the downloaded file, okay, which is this one. So from here, click on this folder icon and it will show you in the location where it is being placed or saved to. In your case, you have to wait until the downloading would be completed before you proceed on this tab, okay? So from here, please make a right click and go with this one cut icon. Once you have copied it, close the window as well as this one. And here at the desktop, please make a right click and go with the spaced icon to move it here to the desktop. Now the next step that we need to do is we need to make a right click, okay, and proceed to the second to the last option. Or you can either double tap to it to unzip the file, okay? Or you can use this WinRAR tool to extract it. So eventually it will now start on the extraction. Wait until a new file folder would be created, which is this one, meaning you have successfully installed it. The next step that we need to do is you need to navigate to the button search bar here, and this time please type for settings. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match should appear again in this window before you proceed. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. So from here, please click on this open option. And eventually you would be directed to the settings window. Please wait until everything are set here. From here, please navigate to the left side of it and locate where the option called Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, you can see there printers and scanners. Please click on it. And eventually you will be able to see an option here aligning to it, add a device. So it's now processing. We just have to wait until it would be ready. And once this one option would be appearing, which is the printer that I want isn't listed, please click on add manually so that you can manually add a printer driver in your Windows. So from here, proceed to the fifth option, which is add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. From here, use the existing ports. It could be this three, USB 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be setting USB 001 as my printer port. So click on next. And since we have a disk, click on disk and click on browse. So from here, since our extracted file is been located to the desktop, then we need to navigate to the desktop and please scroll down and locate to the extracted file. Double tap to it, double tap once again, and it will show you here the driver. Okay, so you just have to double tap to it, okay, and click on OK. And eventually it will be added here. Please click on next, go with next, and it will now start on the installation. Now please wait for some time until this would be done. Okay, so please allow for printer sharing and click on next. And if you'd like it to set it as your default printer, you can go with. In my case, I'm leaving it unchecked. And you can also run to check if your printer was working properly by checking for print a test page. Okay, so click on finished. And there you have it. You have just successfully installed the Epson L3110 series in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so if you will navigate also to your Bluetooth and devices, and if you would go with your devices, and from here under the devices settings, if you will scroll down on the list and go with more devices and printer settings, from here you can also see that the Epson L3110 series has been installed here. Okay, has been placed also here in this devices and printers window. So by that you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.